Good morning everyone, it's the 15th of November. It's a Wednesday. Another sunny bright day. But it is cold. So today I am going to achieve a couple of things. I'm going to sort the racks out so that I can have the sail bikes out the front with their new sail bike tickets on. I've had this bike come in that I need to order some shifters for, so I'm going to do that. Yesterday, after I finished filming, I hung a draft excluding curtain up here, which will keep some of the heat in, and did some recycling. But today, first job is going to be this Marin Palisades. I've got the parts, just need to fit them, and then we can get this one done and out. As you can hear, still got a horrible cough, almost 3 weeks after having COVID, so that's my big task for today. Oh, also as well, I got rid of the rug because it was filthy. I'd been in here 12 months and it was absolutely disgusting. So I got rid of that, hung a door curtain, going to get heating on, going to get the kettle on and get into it. This Marin Palisades trail is now done, so I have replaced the shifters, set up the gears, set up the brakes, sorted out the quick releases because they were installed incorrectly, checked everything briefly because it's only a bronze service. But this one's done and it's now ready for the customer to come and pick it up. It's an absolutely gorgeous bike. I'm kind of got a bit of a bike crush on it, if I'm honest. But yeah, so let's crack on with the next job. So this is the Orbea. It's been in before actually. Recently had a service, but the girl who rode it doesn't get on with these road bike bars and had a big crash. So they've asked me if I can put some road bars on, which we can because I've got some second-hand 9-speed shifters, which is what this needs. So I've just emailed the customer with an idea of what the cost is going to be, and I'm going to just waiting to hear to see what they want us to do. So this is the Orbea. I've got a feeling I'll be working on this tomorrow because I know they're customer's busy at work. So on to the next job. So that's all the inner tubes done for the year. I promise you I won't put you through watching any more inner tubes for a long while. So that's done. So I need to do some social media now. I need to share some stuff. So I'm going to do that and then have a cup of coffee, and it's probably going to be lunchtime. So I will, I'll get on with that and I'll see you after lunch. So while I've got 10-15 minutes to spare while I'm waiting for a customer to get back to me, I'm just going to put a new saddle on my bike. So this is my Fuji saddle, but I'm upgrading it to this Physic Antares R1 with the carbon fibre rails. So I'm just going to do that. Also as well, I'm not happy with the stem. I can't actually tighten it very easily, so I'm going to replace that as well. So I'll stick it on time lapse and you can watch me just quickly switch this on my road bike. Show you what I've done so far. So this is my Physic Antares saddle with carbon rails. So that's been fitted. Okay, so I had a customer. So there's the saddle. I've put a 3T lightweight aluminium stem on, and this afternoon, because I'm now going to go for lunch, so I've got these 3T Aero Tundo Team handlebars. They're full carbon fibre, so I'm going to put, so those are on, as you can see, with my lovely, I don't know if I'll focus, Dura shifters, and my look carbon forks. So now it's got a full carbon front end with the exception of stem. So this afternoon, that's what I'm gonna finish off doing. I love my bike. So new bars, very happy. Tape is on the edges where I wanted it, and new stem and physics saddle and tearers. Very happy. So that's that done. So I've got to do some internet stuff now, social media. So that's my job for this afternoon, and then tomorrow I've got 2 jobs in. I'm still waiting to hear back from the customer, and we had this where are we? This rally Linton that's in for a bronze service tomorrow, so I'll get that one done tomorrow. We just had a couple of customers in, one fixing an inner tube and the other one collecting the job I did this morning, the Marin. So I'm going to concentrate on social media for this afternoon. Don't forget, if you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much, we really appreciate it. If you're new here, if it's your first time here, we'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe. That way you get to see all our videos. Don't forget, everybody, click the notification button, and that way you'll see the videos the second they come out. We do a new video every day we're here at 7 PM UK time. So I'm going to get on, because I've got video to edit and I've got tons and tons of social media to do. So that's my task for the rest of the day. Hope you have a nice evening, and we'll see you bright and fresh tomorrow morning.